beautiful humans, happy new year. So as you guys know from the title that this is my New Year's vlog, and I will be vlogging my day from night today. So the only thing I'll be doing at night is go watch the fireworks right outside my house because I can see the Burj clearly, and I could not afford going to Dubai Mall with all that chaos that's probably there right now. And Dubai is just chaotic a day before New Year, so it's a no. I don't know if you guys can see, but that the Burj is right there, right? So the Burj is right there, the shining line. It's gonna show better when the fireworks start. Guys, literally 2 minutes left. Look at that. Ooh! The lighting, man. Guys, look at that. The lights of Burj Khalifa, guys. Literally just few minutes left. Woo! So I bought this chicken tikka pizza for my dinner from Typo Murphy. It's the first time I'm trying this, by the way, guys. And since I'm back home, so I'm just here watching a movie. So guys, it's the 1st of Jan and I'm going to the mall to get my New Year's starter package. So guys, I have reached to the place that I wanted to come. So guys, last time, since there was no 2021 collection in Typo, I have come today to get some of my stuff from there. So let's see what stuff they have this time. So guys, I came to Nando's and let me just show you guys what I ordered. I'm so hungry. So I ordered this chicken that came with garlic bread and I'm waiting for my salad. God. Hi beautiful humans, so this was it for today, but before this video ends, you guys just wait, okay? So since I bought some stuff from Typo, so I'm gonna be doing a mini Typo haul to show you guys the 2021 collection that they have there. Apparently this time I was a bit disappointed because I was expecting a bit more. Like the collection wasn't as good as last year, was like basic, but I literally loved one or two things mainly from this year's collection, and there was like one from, I think it was an old collection, but I still got it because I love it. So now I'm gonna show you guys what I bought from Typo. So the things that I bought are, I got this beautiful pink shining journal. I got this on sale, so It was like 54 dirhams and now it's like 30. It was down to 30 dirhams. I think this was from the old collection and I really loved it. Let me just show you guys how it is from inside. It's simple. It's like, you know, just simple. I bought this for journaling, obviously. And I also bought this other dot diary, the most important things about dreams, having one. So it's this dot diary thingy, the dot pages diary. I don't know if you guys can see it. So you basically just have to like track your habits or whatever that you're going to use it for. I don't know what I'm going to be using this for because I already had something like this that's in use and I just love this, so I bought it because just look at the colors, guys. I loved it and I got it for 29 dirhams. This was the full price. And I also bought this art book. I'm currently gonna be working on some stuff this year, so that's why I needed this book. I love the fact that it has like a cheetah print. And the last thing that I bought, and the most favorite one, is this, the 2021 table calendar. Let me show you how it is. I love the calendar this year. It's better than last year's apparently because it has like weekly pages, so you can, so the good thing about this calendar is that you don't really need a different to-do list book. You can simply just, you can fit your things in here, your weekly plans, schedules, whatever. You can fit them in here and I think it's just perfect. So yeah, you can literally just place it on your table and it looks very nice because I love these flowers and the pink that it has on it. So this was it, guys. So if you guys loved and enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and comment below. And yes, please don't forget to press that bell icon to get notified whenever I post my new video, because this Friday I'm gonna be posting a makeup tutorial. So stay tuned, guys.